Hi all. So I just got this email saying that your certification, which is CSM in this case, expires in 90 days. Renew now. So let's see step-by-step process how I renew it. So as the email says, your Scrum Alliance certification expires in 90 days. After the certification expires, your badge will display as inactive on your profile and in badge cert, which currently make a CD for you to share your credential with potential employers and clients to help them understand your qualification. And also it is telling that total SEU required to renew 20 and how many do you have so far is 0. It says each hour of your continuing education equals 1 SEU. It also mentioned that by renewing your Scrum education certification, you enjoy continued access to tools and people who will help you grow, maintain your credibility in the world of Scrum, and invest in a non-profit that serves a global agility community. As a possible next step, we'll click on renew my certification. Then it goes to login information. Okay, I had to reset my password because I'm logging here after 2 years. Let's try now. So we logged in. This is how it looks like. Okay, same thing here. It is saying your certification will become inactive in 90 days. Renew now button is enabled now. And also, as you can see, it is showing in the graph that how many SEUs you have versus how many you need. So we need all 20 SEUs in my case. And let's click on renew now. So renew now certification, as this is foundation CSM certification, the requirement for renewal is $100 fees and 20 SEUs, which is Scrum Education Unit. So let's try adding SEUs. So we see option about learning, event, volunteering, others, and it's like a free flow entry. You can enter date, hours, minute, etc. So there is not a lot of details like what is acceptable versus not. There is this hidden link which is a SEU follows a 1:1 ratio where 1 hours of participation is equal to 1 SEU. For more information, click SEU page. So once we click here, we get to this detailed page. Here you see a little bit more details. For example, it is saying earn SEU for participation in events like Scrum Alliance Global Gathering, Scrum Alliance Regional Gathering, and non-Scrum Alliance sponsor events, as well as user group events, etc. Presenting, coaching, attending session, all count as SEU. And learning. Allowable SEU in the category include working with Scrum Alliance, CSTS, CTCs, etc. for various independent learning activity, preparing presentation, authoring books, articles, blogs, etc. Volunteering, we encourage you to give back to the community, non-compensated professional Scrum services, and other variety of other learning activities. As Scrum Alliance acknowledges that not all learning fits nearly to the categories up. So here they are kind of opening it up. It could be any learning, it seems. And renewal requirement for this exam, as we touched earlier also, 20 SEUs, $100 fee. So they have given FAQ also. These two questions looks interesting to me. I'm logging SEU to renew. How recent do they have to be? So for all the certification renewal cycle, SEU must have been earned within 30 months. I thought it will be 24 months because the certification itself is for 2 years, but they are allowing 30 months. So even if you have done something long back, that might be eligible. And second is when you logging SEU, what information do I need to include or how detailed do I need to be? They are not very particular about that. They are saying please include a few words or a short sentence describing the activity. So I think that is enough. Let's go back to renewal. Let's think what I did in last 30 months now. I did this SAFE certification where we have training for about 8 hours. In the activity, I can say SAFE training. Activity date 8 hours. Submit. SEU was successfully created. As you can see, I have now 8 SEUs. I'm gonna put some others saying that learning about cloud technology. So this is also added. Now I have 16 SEU. I need 4 more. I'm gonna put simply about preparation for SAFE exam. Okay. So as soon as I do that, the system detects that I have 20 hours of SEU covered and it shows a message you have sufficient SEU to renew. Renew now. So renew now again. Here it is asking a receipt will be sent to your email address. You can add additional receipt. Now it is about the payment. So payment is done and the dashboard is now updated. So here it is now showing your certification is active through 2024 Jan 22 and you can download your refresh certificate if you want right away. So we are done. In summary, the renewal took 5 minutes. The dashboard is refreshed and the activity date has increased to 2024. That means it is now renewed for 2 extra years because it was supposed to be expiring on Jan 2022. They allow renewal 180 days in advance. This notification was sent to me 3 months in advance. It is now renewed. As you see, the renewal process is very simple. The SEUs, you need 20 SEUs, and the categories we discussed, what categories you need these for. Pretty straightforward. You don't need to provide a lot of details. A lot of this is trust based. You just need to tell when you did the activity and how much hours you put there. That's all. And you submit it and pay $100 or whatever the applicable fee in your area, and then you can renew it. And now we are good for next 2 years. I hope you like it. If you like the content, like it, share it, subscribe for more content like that. Good luck.